came. I'm so excited. So, listen guys, before I go ahead and get into this unboxing, I know this is not a video about working out, diets. I want to just take a break, okay? But if you didn't know me, one of my favorite things is Under Armour. That's like my brand, alright? I always wear Under Armour. The only time I don't wear Under Armour is like days when I'm like lazy. But every time I work out, Under Armour. And on top of that, The Rock is like, The Rock has this Under Armour brand, which is like all cool stuff, which I always wear too. This is The Rock's box bag, okay? And I've been waiting for a while. So I wanted to do like an unboxing. And this is some super secret score type shit because I couldn't find this bag on the Under Armour website. I couldn't find it in the stores. I couldn't find it on Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, dumpsters, your mama's house. I couldn't find it, right? So I went into the lady was like, well, would you like this bag? And she showed me some crazy bag, right? And then the bag, it wasn't anywhere. And she had some super voodoo stuff where she showed me where the bag is. I'm like, what? I couldn't find that anywhere. It's the best bag I've ever seen in my life. So, case in point, I got the best bag that I know offer. And if you have seen this bag before, don't tell me because I want to feel special. So, look at this. You think that'll be able to? Okay guys, let's see what we got. Alright, don't look at the price. So it comes in this nice voluptuous shaping. And then, take the little thing off. Ooh. Oh, here, you hold that. And then, you open it up. And look, it has all military stuff, right? Because I'm military. Ooh, and then look. You zip it up. I never actually do like reveal boxings, so like unboxings. So if this is how I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. And then, bam! Look at that, buddy. Oh, look at that. I'm just saying, you can see me rocking it. All right, and then you look over. See, look. Blood, sweat, respect, and then American flag. I think this was one of his little brands that he had. He just dropped a new I don't know what it's called, a line, right? And this was like the Veterans Day line, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So look, you got this cool little thing. I think I'm gonna put I don't know where I'm gonna put in this, but it's probably keys. Okay, and then look. I could put, like stuff in here. And then it's like some weird non-sweat waterproof stuff, because Army's all waterproof. And then you go back here. And look at that. Huh? Unzip. And just a whole bunch of stuff you could just stuff in there, right? Just stuff, right? Probably put my gloves in there. Cell phone goes in here. And then I got two cell phones, one work phone, one actual phone. Bam, right there. And then just like almost every box bag you have up. And look at that! Just in case I needed extra room. See, The Rock always thinks of extra stuff. Alright, wish he probably had no design input, but he might have, who knows. And then you have another side, which I'm pretty sure does the same thing, but okay. And then let's look inside. See that? Nice and cozy. If I'm putting my on my back, I want it to be cozy. Okay. And it has. Oh, look! It has like a little spot I can put stuff in right here. And I put my notebooks and stuff right here. And then An open space for space stuff. Alright, so now that we got that, guys, basically the best bag around. I think that I'm the only one who have it. Honestly, you won't see this anywhere else but me. But go ahead and put it on. And then if I do not want to carry it that way, I always just buckle it up like sizzle. Then that. So guys, thank you for doing the unboxing with me. It's great. Basically the best gym bag there is ever, really. And it's the only one, so, and I got it. You won't be able to find it anywhere else. I challenge you. I challenge you to find it. I will put the name, the actual name, Project Rock Underarmour. I'll put the actual name and everything in the description, and I want you guys to try to find this bag. If you do, take a picture, screenshot, and then if not, then you know.